before you start your gear, you should always check your oil levels, and then you run your glow plugs in this John Deere for like 18 seconds, 10 seconds. Then you start her up and let her warm up. And we're just going to grease this machine before we start digging. So I'm going to stretch the boom out and we'll grease her up. Cleaning the dirt out around the grease fittings so this will go up on. But it still doesn't want to go up on. She's gonna take. We just need either an adjustable or pipe wrench or something to take the lock bolt off that. Pulling this wedge out so we can go put it on our ditching bucket and we'll peel some sod. Just take the wedge. Stick that in. Tighten that up. Just gonna grab the wrench. There, let's go digging.